Alam naman natin how Philippines is so small, nakikita-kita ang lahat. How do you balance a private life, especially si Angel out of ano ngayon?
What do you mean?
Out of coverage area. Hindi namin siya makita, ayaw niyang, di ba, hindi siya nagpe-press.
No, what do you mean, how do I balance it?
I mean, how do you guys balance private life na, alam mo yun, walang celebrity sighting?
No, I asked that question kasi parang our life is so private right now.
Yun nga eh.
So parang,
How?
I need to balance it because it's very private.
Hindi siya balance.
No,
But at least we see you.
Yeah,
That's what I meant.
I'm
At
still
least
working.
we see you.
I have to work.
Oh, of course, of course.
Cornerstone, I've been working with Cornerstone since I started making movies with Erickson, everything. So, if I can work with them, every movie I make, I would do that. So,
So sabi mo nga hindi balanced. How do you understand the situation na super private
we were
kayo?
talking about kasi Angel balance and private life eh. So,
Oo, super private nga siya. But how do you understand that given that you still have to work?
it's just time management. Tsaka, syempre pag uwi ko, doon naman siya eh. And that's our time together. So,
Wow,
yeah.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Hindi lumalabas ang bansa or anything?
Not recently. Well, it was her brother's wedding yesterday, so we were there.
Wow,
Yeah.
what a milestone. Grabe, no? Parang wala kami naririnig. Ito na yun. Ito na yung big update namin. Nakakatuwa.
Ano siya ngayon? Nanonood ng PBB sa bahay. So,
Wow. May chance ba na makita namin kayo
saan?
together?
Syempre, oo naman.
I mean, public. Magpapakita siya in public.
May chance ba? I'm sure you will. One way or another. Pero, I mean, we're just not planning anything. Ano yan?
Anytime soon.
Or, not anytime. I can say that na anytime soon. Pero, kung anong plano, we're just, enjoying life. Alam mo yan? Nakafocus kami ngayon, syempre, kay Joaquin. Hirap pa rin din maging stage father and stage stepmother.
Yes,
Alam mo yan,
yes,
sure, if you're from the industry. Pero, right now, ang namin is na kay Joaquin. So, yeah.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.